Hey guys, welcome to Nikki's Fashion Diary. You're seeing me, what I really look like when I don't have all that glitz and glamour. This is the real me. This is an under makeover. Is that saying that right? Make under. This is a make under. Because guys, this is what I'm really like when I'm not doing this. Guys, this is the real deal. I'm going to tell you how to have a make under and how to truly be your ugly self. Like I know I can be, like I truly am every single day when those cameras ain't rolling. Let's go. First tip, bloodshot eyes. Do you see this? Do you see this bloodshot eye? I see it. You know how I got this bloodshot eye? I was brushing my cat. He's right there. His dander's everywhere. It's in this eye. This is bloodshot eye. First tip, brush your cat. Get a lot of dander in your eye. Eat your eye. And don't put any eye drops in it. That's the first rule for the make under. Guys, for my second make under tip, I like to brush my eyebrows the opposite way. That always makes me feel real ugly. Like a true make under. I like to just ruffle all them hairs, get them going crooked, up, down, all around. It just makes me feel so good and ugly. Good for this make under. Also now guys, I like to use a face mask from the dollar store because I know it won't work. And another added bonus, I like to buy my face masks that are expired. This done here expired 6/28/17. So what is that? That's at least, what month are we in? It's almost February. That's at least 8 months old. I like my face mask not to work. That makes me feel real good and ugly, like it's really not doing nothing. But you know I'm going to use it because I paid $1 for it. And I feel like maybe, perhaps, there might be one molecule inside of the gooey goo that sticks on the mask on my face that might actually penetrate my pores. But odds are it won't. That's why I'm going to use this for my make under. I like my face masks to be expired. Can you guys see that right there? 6/28/2017. That's expired. That's expired. Guys, for my make under, I like to wear clothes, and I am going to switch my shirt out. I like to wear shirts with stains. See this right here? See that stain? That's from some hair dye when I got my hair done, when I cared for my makeover. I got another stain right here. See that right there? That's also hair dye. And as you might be able to see here on the back of the shirt, it's faded all right here because I used to wear it in the sun. But now it's like faded and it's got some hair dye. So when I like to feel real ugly, I like to put stained shirts on with some hair. That's my dog hair. I don't even want to take the hair off or the lint. That's some lint. That's some lint. That's some lint. That's some hair. That's a piece of hair. That's a piece of hair. Yeah. Guys, for my make under, I like to just let all the makeup just wash off after a hard day's work. I don't reapply my makeup, not for a make under. So this is all natural. My blush is gone. My foundation is gone. My powder is definitely gone, guys. But you know what I like to do for my makeover too? So when I let my makeup just run, that I can just run off. I like to then scratch my eyes with my mascara on like this, because you can never truly do it at work, because you can't, because you got an image to uphold. But when you got an itch in that eye, you got a hair in that eye, and you just want to scratch your eye like this. Oh yeah. Make under. Let's see the other eye. Yes. For this make under, I'm gonna scratch my other eye, because doesn't it just feel good to scratch your eye with mascara on it? Oh, sure does to me. Yes. Oh, make under. Guys, this is truly how I feel every single night coming home from work. And how I not only feel, but how I look. This is a true make under. I didn't even put primer on my eyes. Make under. Guys, you know what I also like to do? I like to let my hair get real greasy for my make under. Like this. It's product. It's not like really grease, but it looks greasy. I like to let my hair get real greasy for my make under. And then you know what I do? I like to brush my hair. I'm going to brush my hair. I'm going to brush out my curly hair. And if you got a curly hair, you know that's a big no-no. We're going to brush my hair out. Here we go, guys, for the make under. Here we go. I'm going to brush my hair. Brush my hair out. Oh. Get it nice and frizzy. I like to actually run the grease from the top of my head all the way down to the frizzy, very frizzy bottoms. Just gives it an extra little something. So I'm going to brush my hair out. Oh yeah. You guys see that? Oh, make under. And then I'm going to brush my back out for you guys. That's just how we do it. That's just how we do it, guys. Brush out my curls. Brush out my hair. Yes. Yes. Guys, this is how I like to do my make under. Again, I like to also flip my hair to the other side. And I like to get it like really nice and big. Oh. Brush the grease through. Yes. Yes. This is what I like to do for my make under, because I feel like hair follicles, when you got curly hair and you wear your hair curly all the time, like your hair follicles, they just need to experience what it feels like to have a brush run through them hairs. You know, it's almost like living on this planet not eating like a burger. Your body needs to experience what that feels like, you know? Just like this brush. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, everybody. This is how I like to brush my hair for my make under. I like to get it real nice and big. Really nice and big. And now I'm going to brush it back up from the top here. Give it a little poofy. Yes. That's how I like to brush my hair, guys. Alright, now guys, we're going to put it all together. So, I will be right back, and I will give you the finished look for this make under. Guys, as you can see, I'm wearing my favorite bleach highlighted shirt from all my hair coloring. Right? Okay. So I'm going to put my hair up with this little guy. Right, like that. Oh, okay. Just get my hair out of my way. Okay, just like this. Alright. Now we're going to put this on. Now, guess what? I'm not washing my face. It tells me to wash my face first. But because this is make under, and I know this is expired, I don't care. I'm not washing my face. So guess what? I'm going to put it on like this. So let's put our face mask on, because I think the top into a cake of a make under is looking so completely hideous and ugly. And what better way than to do it with a hideous face mask? It's going to make you feel like a serial killer. So this is how I like to do my make under. I don't wash my face. I just slap this sucker on. Okay? Just like this. Oh, it actually smells pretty good. Probably should have washed my face. Guess what? We're not. Okay? For my make under, I like to just top it off with running mascara, right? From scratching. Can you guys See that pretty good? Pretty okay. My nose, I can't get that little nose thing on. I should take my nose ring out, but I don't care. For my make under, I don't care. Okay? Alright guys, one last thing, okay? One last thing I'm gonna tell you. Before bed, guess what we're not gonna do? We ain't brushing our teeth. That's right, no teeth brushing here. So because this is a make under, I'm gonna chew a mint. Suck on a mint. I ain't brushing my teeth. That takes too much work, too much time. I'm gonna eat this mint. That's what I'm gonna do. I hope you guys like this make under. These are my steps for feeling ugly. And I think I'm doing pretty well. Subscribe if you feel like it, okay? Bye. Almost forgot, guys. For this make under, at lunch, you need to eat a lot of garlic. I want you to eat so much garlic that it's coming out your chest, your pores, your ears, your eyes. I want that garlic stank everywhere. And guess what? That mint I had, it wasn't enough. You might want to grab yourself a whole bucket full. A whole bucket full of mints, guys. Because for this make under, you got some stinky breath. And because you're too damn lazy to brush your teeth, you're going to need all these. Okay? Forget that.